We from the Jaintia National Council. Since last year, we have launched the Save Jaintia mission, and we have 5 agenda in the Save Jaintia mission, which is very affected the Jaintia region. And the main agenda is what we are talking now is like to include the Penar language in the Meghalaya State Language Act. When the state government, through its Art and Culture Department, released a Meghalaya state anthem. And in that anthem, we have seen like only Garo, Khasi, and English. They don't include the Penar language. And when we from the Jaintia National Council and from the Jaintia region, we raise our voice like the government is trying to neglect or trying to reject the Penar language by not including it in the Meghalaya state anthem. In Meghalaya, we have 3 autonomous district council, the Garo Hill, the Khasi Hill, and the Jaintia Hills. In Garo Hills, they speak in Garo language. In Khasi Hill, they speak in Khasi language. And in Jaintia Hills, they speak in Penar language. So it is the right of the Jaintia people, the Penar people, to get their language included in the Meghalaya State Language Act, so that in future, all the future generation will know that Khasi, Jaintia, and Penar are the major tribe of the state of Meghalaya. To make our demand more genuine, we have submitted a memorandum last time. Last month, I think, we have submitted a memorandum to the CEM of the JHADC, because the JHADC is the main the main foundation of our demand. If the JHADC is not there, our demand is baseless, is useless, because we have a lot of language in Khasi and Jaintia region. But since we have the Jaintia Autonomous District Council, we have right to the CEM of the JHADC to call a special session to pass a resolution that the state government should respect the JHADC and should include the Penar language in the Meghalaya State Language Act. And if the JHADC don't come up anything which according to our demand, then we have to move from our next agenda onwards.